Right, so I'm here at the DIY stand with a man that doesn't really need any introduction in the detail industry. So thank you very much for taking your time.
Thank you, David.
And we're going to go a little bit through the two latest or soon to be newest products in your range.
Yes.
So what do we have?
We have our cordless polishers, and these are prototypes. So yes, the coloring's a little off, but the shape is identical. These were 3D printed to evaluate the molds. So we'll have the molds shortly. These are unique in the industry. The battery placement is sort of the elephant in the room.
Mm-hmm.
It's different. Instead of putting the battery here like everybody else, our battery is centrally mounted. It gives you a much better balance on the machine. And then our rotary, so from here to here, it's exactly the same tool. For interchangeability of parts, everything much, much easier.
Yeah.
Battery slides off quite easily. Makita-based batteries.
There you go.
So if you have Makita tools in your shed, off you go. You're good.
Fantastic. Let's have a go. That's insanely light.
Yeah, it's under 6 pounds, so 2.5 kilos.
Yeah.
Yeah. They both come with a 5 and 6 inch backing plate.
So
2 batteries, charger, and we've invested in charging technology, so we have a dual stage charger. Gets to 80% within 15-20 minutes. And then the other 20% will take a little longer.
To say such a light machine, it has got all the control.
Yeah, permanent magnet motor, so a brushless motor.
Yeah.
And you get that characteristic jolt when you stop.
Yeah.
And
it's got that nice torque band as well. It's
yes.
just nice constant delivery of power. Really nice. Yeah. And granted, yeah, the elephant in the room, the battery, but that is just function right there. It just makes sense. You've got to use it to appreciate why that's all been done. And there's no more, like, I know everyone says, oh, you've got to keep your polisher straight, but there's them consoles, there's them awkward vehicles, and you just miss it slightly.
Yes.
And you do catch it. We've all done it.
Yeah.
Absolutely fantastic.
And you're not using the battery as a handle.
No.
No.
It's out the way, ultimately. Just because you can see it, that is not a problem at all. That's absolutely fantastic. Yeah. Well, thank you very much for taking your time to put us through.
Thank you, David.
See you soon.
So this is the new sprayer and foamer, cordless, internal battery, USB-C charge point, got your LEDs there, and we'll be getting these into the UK pretty soon.
Hi guys, I'm with Jason Rose from Rupes. Jason, thank you very much for taking your time.
Very well.
So if you would, just take us through the newer range, the HLR 15 and 21.
Yeah, we're actually late to the party on battery tech, but there's a good reason for that. We spent a lot of time working on some things. So this is the result of many years and many engineers working on things. Yeah. In fact, we have the actual lightest weight tool in the class. So we did that intentionally. We also wanted a small, compact, so smaller physical size than our corded tools. So smaller, lighter, but we wanted to maintain that power and torque of the corded tools. So there's the big question people ask is run time. So with the full battery charge, it's 40 minutes under load. So actually working on the vehicle, it's 40 minutes of run time, and then about a 45-minute recharge in the charger.
Cool. So a lot of people don't realize that when they look at like the battery cycle, like 40 minutes is big because you're not no one continuously uses the machine for that point.
Right.
You're putting down, you're wiping down, you're inspecting, switching pads. So you actually find you like an hour and 20 minutes before you're like, okay, the battery now needs.
Yeah.
When you factor that into a detail, it does really, for some people, makes the cord, redundant. It's no longer needed.
Yeah.
And it feels absolutely great in the hand. Really good quality, solid machine. Have we got 5 minutes just to go and have a look at the corded, the Mark V, which a lot of people are excited about?
One more point about this before we go to Mark V. Our sub-brand called Hybrid, what it really means is it's not only battery. So Hybrid for Rupes means the ability to take one tool and use it with a battery or a cord or a cable. So there is an adapter that you plug in here and you can actually run it with a cord. All of our hybrid tools have this flexibility. So it's not just a battery tool, it's a cord and a battery tool.
So it works around you really, doesn't it? Absolutely fantastic.
Well, let's check out the Mark V.
Perfect. So here we are with the Mark V.
Mark V. So I personally am very, very excited about this polisher. I was a former detailer. I detailed for 12 years, and this polisher here represents years and years of ongoing upgrades into our corded platform. So this is Mark V, the generation 5 of our upgrades. And what we just talked about was the hybrid.
Yeah.
And the learnings and the technology that was put into that tool has now been put into this. So everything from the motor forward, completely redesigned.
Okay.
So the gear set from the hybrid, the counterweight assembly, the Precision Pro backing plate, all of that has been put into this corded tool now, and the result is just an amazing. It's still powerful like this always was. Yeah. But it's now 47% less noise. Which is a big deal when you're a detailer, especially day in, day out. Them ears do start ringing with certain machines, and I don't think you realise how valuable that is for that reduction. It's massive. So if you're polishing all day, every day on cars, I mean, this is a great addition to your tool set because now that you don't have that loud, sound. So here, I mean, we can actually continue our
we're not raising our voice at all, are we? That is insane.
And look how smooth.
So balanced. It's taken the same backing plate it has from the HLR as well.
Yeah. Very, very, very smooth, but continues to have the power, so it powers through, removes defects like you want it to do, shines up the paint, but yet quiet.
That is absolutely insane. And again, there's the 21mm throw and the 15mm, again, like the HLR.
Yes, yeah. For those people that want a bigger orbit, a bigger pad for bigger areas.
Yeah.
But the 15 is good all around, getting into tight areas on the average car. Yeah.
And also adding to that, they're now wrapping it with a 5-year warranty.
I'm glad you mentioned that.
Yeah, which is a first for in the industry, especially in the UK. Really shows how far Rupes are behind it, and you can tell by the engineering that this is built to last.
Well, we're confident about its durability, so we're standing behind that and doing this extended 5-year warranty. And the way that you get this is if you purchase the Mark V, you need to register the tool immediately. So do that right away when you buy it, and then you can take advantage of that 5-year warranty.
Absolutely fantastic. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for taking the time.
It's
great to see you.
Yes,
thank you very much. I'm on the Shinemate stand, and today I'm going to try their new machine, the EB212, which is their cordless spot polisher. Battery powered, 12mm throw, but even better, direct drive. So let's see how it fares up. So the noise levels are almost non-existent. An absolutely brilliant machine. So this is a 12mm DA version. They also do a rotary, the EB213. Hopefully we'll be hitting the shelves in the next 2 to 3 months. But totally a new approach. Direct drive, oodles of torque, performs outstandingly.